Yeah, so when it comes to Tesla, I mean, I think we're up six figures, if not more than six figures on that stock now. Reason I'm not selling this stock is still because of the long-term opportunity in front of this company over the next, just if we look at the 5 years, not even the 10 years, I'm just looking at the next 5 years, for instance, right? We have Model 3 continuing to expand all around the world. We have Model Y just starting to launch in 2020 and will launch in mass in 2021. We have Cybertruck coming, which is going to be a truck that is likely going to put up numbers like we've never seen for trucks. So the amount of excitement, the amount of pre-sales already on the Cybertruck is ridiculous. It's off the charts. They're going to be able to, have demand there for years to try to catch up to. When I think of obviously the S and X possibly getting refreshes, that's a great thing. When I think about the Tesla Semi, when I think about the solar business, the battery business, how all those will continue to expand over the next 5 years. When I think about all these types of opportunities in front of Tesla just for the next 5 years, even though I'm up huge on the position already, it doesn't make me say, I got to sell the stock, because the long-term opportunity, which I always like to focus on the next 3 to 5 years with the stock, the long-term opportunity is still so big for this company. And the likelihood, in my opinion, they'll be able to produce $10 billion, $20 billion, $30 billion of net income in the future, if not more, is actually pretty high. I have a lot of confidence that they're going to get to those type of numbers in the bottom line over the future. I mean, it's almost a given that they'll get to a place within the next 5 years where they have $100 billion plus in revenue. The question is how much of that is going to reach the bottom line, and I think a considerable amount. And then if we're looking out even past that, then you have the autonomous taxi network, which is just a massive opportunity. Think about an Uber, but without drivers in it. So when you're just looking at all this, and then obviously Tesla will continue to expand into more products, maybe a Model 2 comes down the road. When I look at all that, it makes me say, gosh, even though the stock's ran a lot, I can't sell out of this position. This is not a position I can go ahead and cash profits in, because the opportunity, likely for the next 5-10 years, is too substantial on the other side for me to say, let me cash profits. So that's just kind of where I'm at with Tesla.